Don't mind me, I'm just procrastinating. Today is the first day of Novelmber, and I didn't do anything yesterday to prepare because life happened. Flu season, children sick, all that jazz. But they seem to be all right today. Anyways, yeah, I'm just avoiding doing this work. Okay. Anyways, we're doing it. We're here. This is it. Let's get going. Now you may be wondering, what is today's prompt? Imagine you're at a train station, you're on a train, and a murder takes place. In 500 words or fewer, explain the scenario. So now, naturally, I have to write. No, I must ruminate. I've written on this prompt before, and I would be lying if I didn't say that I was tempted to just use that as my short story for today. But I will not do that. I will not allow myself to do what seems like cheating, but I am like a little tired. I need to eat something. So it is Saturday, which means breakfast is going to be out of the house. So oh, hi. What are you doing in there? So we went to breakfast, and what happened was, we went out of town to eat. You know? Hang on, let me let my dog in. And then, I was reading this book, you know, because I've been reading it. Now the cat's want in. Abigail, come on. Okay. Anyways, and I was really close to finishing it. So I ended up just finishing it. And I haven't written anything yet. So let's go do that. Come on, let's go. No more procrastinating. Let's get to work. Okay, let's work. Okay, I did it. See. Alrighty. You can read the story for today on my Substack linked below in the pinned comment.